Hey everyone, so excited that you're here. I have a special treat for you. Now, you guys know that we talked about AI tools a couple weeks ago. And today, as promised, I am interviewing someone who is the ultra uber user of the AI tools. And he's going to show us some of his ninja tricks and some of his creations so that we can get inspired to really use all that we can with the AI tools. So as I'm letting people in, let me just see who's on. All right, we're getting people on. If you're here live, hashtag live. If you are watching this on the replay, hashtag replay. But we're super excited that you're here. Let us know where you're tuning in from. And as we get started. So again, I wanted to talk about 2 weeks ago, we talked about AI tools with ClickDesigns. It was amazing. It was mind-blowing, but I didn't do it justice. So I decided to bring on someone who knows way more than me with the AI tools. And he is going to show us. I'm super excited. So why don't I go ahead and welcome him to the show. Let me get him on. All right. Pankaj, how are you doing?
Hey, how are you? Hello,
Good.
everyone.
Oh, yeah. It's awesome. I got to meet Pankaj a few weeks ago, and we've had a blast. He's my little brother now, and my mind is blown what you can do with the AI tools. Are you loving the AI tools, Pankaj?
Yeah, absolutely. So I've been using the ClickDesigns AI tools for my creations and design and stuff. And when you asked me, like, why don't you come to the call and just show like what you've been creating with AI? So I said, okay, why not? I should probably do that. So yeah. So
Well,
yeah,
I'm
go
excited
ahead.
to have you on. Our minds are gonna be blown, and I'm not gonna waste any more time because I know we don't have that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to your screen, and you're gonna take over. I'm just gonna watch and be amazed. So let me get you to switch over to your screen. Here we go, and he's gonna start. There we go. Take it
All right.
away.
Okay, so here we go. So I'm inside my canvas. So you all familiar with this canvas, all right? So first thing is I'm gonna go to Image AI and show you how you can create different kind of stuff here. The one who already people already seen this stuff. They pretty know, like, you can add your keywords here. Then there's a negative keywords that you can use. What basically negative keyword does is when you create any image, uh, because the nature of AI, sometimes it gives you bad results. Like when you're creating a human, it gives you three uneven eyes, deformative faces, extra fingers and stuff like that. So by giving AI a negative keywords, like, we don't want this to happen with my image. So AI knows, like, this I don't need to print a bad anatomy and even faces and stuff like that. So that's why the negative keywords are there, right? And then we have image variations. So you can generate like 1, 2, 3, 4 variations of the image. Then you have to choose image styles. We'll talk about that in a bit, but let's just start with something like what we can get. So a few days ago, I was creating a coloring book for kids. So let's try some coloring books here, and by doing that, we will explore these different styles as well. So for example, let's start with very simple keyword like coloring book cover for kids. And Angie, what do you want me to be? It like having a kid dinosaurs, kids animals around, something like that.
I think, let's see, my kids are into everything. I'm trying to think of what would be good for them. But yeah,
Yeah,
dinosaurs would be kind of cool. Very cool.
yeah. So okay, so dinosaur. Let me correct my spelling a little bit. Don't worry about that, because AI will automatically gets it. Playing. Okay, dinosaur playing. Let's just run with that. and we will go back, go down and select two variations, and then we select a comic book. Okay, maybe line art. So we want it to be like a black and white line art, so kids can really fill in. And we'll select a vertical because the e-cover is in vertical, and let's hit generate. Okay, so hang on. We need to have. I automatically blocks some keywords. All right, so we got our results. So let's see what we got. Okay, so isn't that looks amazing? I mean, kids gonna love this one, right?
That
And then
is so cute.
yeah, so a kid's gonna love this. And the beauty of choosing different style is like you have just one prompt, and if you select like comic book, it will give you with this same prompt or same keyword, you can generate different kind of images just by using same keyword. So let's try different one. All right, look at this. See, this looks really amazing. Okay, so let's try something else. So so what we can do is, for example, this coloring this book, we can save this as an image, or it automatically, what it does is it automatically saves you image, like whatever you are generating with AI, it automatically saves here. So we can go back to our like we can use this image and create a coloring book. For example, let me go to covers 2.0 templates, covers 2.0. I'm going to go to books, and we can just use like create something from scratch. So like kids. Then we can select a book mockup. For example, this one. And just use that image. And if you want to add some text to it, what we can do is we can just select color, hit and click on the background, and just fill out the color. Let's go to the gradient. I'll just gradient here. We change the angle of the gradient. and then add your like text headline here. Let's hit preview. So there you go. So we can like keep editing it and add new stuff into it, like adding new gradients and stuff like that, and it's gonna look amazing. The second thing is we generated different one as well. So for example, use this one. And we literally can use it for KDP publishing as well. So just add it to your KDP publishing, and then literally we can use it directly for publishing image and use it for Amazon, right? Let's go back and I'll show you a couple more things. So let's just go back to this. Let me upload an image. By far, this is the this is my most favorite feature in ClickDesigns. So I uploaded this image, and if you look at this, this girl sitting on the chair, and I want to like literally change it, like I want to put it to the different background, like she's sitting somewhere else. So what I can do is I can go to background replacer, and you can see there's a green line and there's a blue line, right? So when we select green one, it shows this is the area where we can generate the backgrounds. Like this, in this area, the AI will generate your background. So this, and then we can select an image. Okay, hang on. All right. So let's put something like a view of New York City skyline. Conference room. Let's see what happens. All right, so we got the results, and look at this. This looks absolutely amazing, right? So you can see the chair is like literally sitting on this the conference room from the skyline. Like, isn't it like looking good? Plus, if you let me show you another example of it, which is if we have so for example, if we have our packaging, for example, some bottles. So for example, let's use one of these, right? So just use this one. Let's use this one. Okay, let me reduce the size a little bit. And if we want our products to sitting something like so for example a mouse. So here's we can select presets here from like moss to wood material, gift, leaves, furniture, and different kinds of, and it will automatically fill out keywords for you here. For example, yeah. So let's try this one, moss one, lush green moss close up with a focus on texture. So let's just replace the background with that. Plus sometimes AI can generate results that are not really like good, because it's AI. So you have to keep like different angles, get different keywords to get the best results out of it. But let's see. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's adjust the size. So what it really does is, when you see the screen rectangle around it, so this is the area where AI will paint the background for you. So this entire area, it will just fill out this area, and this one is your object. So for example, have if you fill this entire thing with your product, then AI doesn't have the area to paint it, so it would look bad. So if we want, for example, if you want to set it on the mountain, so we have to give it a certain space so it can paint the mountains around it. So I'll just reduce the size a little bit and put it just like that. So try it with like let's say mouse, and let's hit place background. All right, so we got the results. Okay, so look at this. This is look very realistic and fantastic. So we can literally just create our product photography with this. If you have like your shampoo bottles, so you can put it on different backgrounds, and you can literally you can, again, if you not happy with the results, you can go back and select and regenerate it. So for example, in this, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, select the bathroom, and let's put it here. Okay, and let's just see what happens. Click on replace background again. So when we change its place, it will automatically adapt with the product, or AI automatically adapt with the product, and it will generate area around it. So for example, if we put it this time, we put it on the right, a little bit right side, it will understand like we want it to put on the right side. So the space besides that, it will automatically generate new background. All right, so so far I like this one, so I can just click on save as a copy, and if I want to proceed with the editing, I'll hit done, and then it will take me to the canvas, and I can start editing with that. But I would like to try one more, which is like let's try marble material, and let's put it like this. Let's say this, and then hit replace background. Wow. So look at the results. It's beautiful, right? Let's try something else. So I'll go back. I'll upload one more image. Okay, so let's try something else. Go to the AI image editor, and so we are into object replacer, and how object replacer works is you can select an area and replace that particular area with your any object or whatever you can keyword you can give. So for example, in this image, we see a plant. So we will try to replace this plant with something else, like let's say for a cat. So let's just, you select your brush, you can change your color, you can increase the size of the brush, and we can just paint the area so it will understand we want to add an object here. Right, so we selected the tree, now plant, and then let's just click on the remove the plan and add a dock. Okay, and then just click on replace object, and we just wait for a couple of seconds. So there you go, we have a puppy here, but we can just try to like regenerate it if we are not happy with the results. Let's try a couple more example with image AI. So I'll head back to image AI, and let's create something. Christmas is coming, obviously, so let's create some Santa with 6 abs, and he is Jack. How, like, okay, and let's create it with a different variation, not just usual. So let's do variation, and I'll create a neon funk style, and let's just select vertical and then hit generate. Let's see how Santa comes in neon funk style. Okay, this looks fantastic. Now let's try something else. So I'll go back, and I've copied a keyword already. This is photographic surreal doodle art. So let's create some doodle art, right? And I'm gonna go to the comic book, and then generate image. All right, so see how this doodle art looks amazing. Let's try a Halloween cupcake clip art. So let's create something, some clip art, and I'll select isometric and then generate. Okay, so this, isn't it like amazing? So what we can do is we can just literally take this image and put it on like some our website background, or if you have some post for your Facebook. Halloween is over, but yeah, you can create your Instagram post or something using this image, right? And let's look at the second one. Okay, so this looks delicious, right? Let me just adjust the canvas, maybe a little more. Right, so, and we can just add a text here. Let's pick its color so it just matches it. And we literally can add something like give it a space. It just duplicate it. And we're gonna just make it white. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the shapes and doodles, And let's add something. And we can just change its color. Right, so we can just create something out of it. Literally just like that. So yeah, can duplicate, go back. So yeah, so we can create different kind of designs using AI, and then we can just use it. Even this image, we can literally like take it all the way down here. Okay, here, and reduce its opacity a little bit. It looks like a texture. So this is how you can literally use it for your social media designs and stuff like that. Right. Now let's go back and do something else. So I'm gonna just head back to the dashboard, or let's just open it. So you can click on logo and hold your command or control, and you can just literally open another window of ClickDesigns. So while you're working on your some designs, you can simultaneously use another screen to create new designs. So let's go inside and go to social media, socials, and let's see, let's go to Instagram and look for some template. Okay, let's say if we can find something. Okay, so maybe let's go to the Facebook. Okay, we'll use this one. So shoe ad. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an ad for a shoe. So let's go to image AI, a pair of Nike shoes. And let's get 3D square, select two variations and generate. All right, so Okay, and let's see these also. Okay, so we can go back and hit generate again, and we'll get different kind of results. So let's create photographic, a pair of Nike shoe, and generate again. Each time we change the style, it gives you different kind of output. So let's try. Let's see. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to AI image editor and select remove background removal and the background. Okay, so done. For a minute, I'll just on this, and you can just turn it. Okay. $70, $90. And we'll select Friday. Select the color, fill it with green, and make it brighter. It matches our theme, and there you go. You can literally create the ads like this. And let me go back, and in the description, let me add something else. So yeah. Let's do something else. Nike stable vision collaboration. I'll click fantasy art and generate. All right. Okay, so let's hide it for a minute and look at this. We can literally use it for our ad. Just like that, and just adjust the text. And so yeah, so this is how you can literally create different kind of designs and use the AI to generate new things. Okay, back to you, Angie.
All right. That was awesome. I'm so excited. You showed some pretty cool things, and I hope everyone loved it because I know I did. I learned something new, and I was taking some notes because I was so just intrigued. So you were talking about your most favorite feature in ClickDesigns, and that was the background replacer. And I can tell you that I love that too. So what are some other favorite features that you have as the AI tools?
Okay, so so mostly this. Hang on, I'll go back and I'll show you. Yeah, so I love photo arts. The image expand is amazing as well. So this is you have smaller images, and then you can literally just expand the images. It literally draws your makes your small images to a bigger images. So you can literally do that. So that is amazing feature as well. I mean, the all features that ClickDesigns has, the AI features, they are all amazing, and it blows every time you use it, they blow your mind out, right? And it like saves ton of time, and it's like I love it, literally.
I love it. So, did you guys hear that? It blows your mind out. That's exactly how I felt too with the Amazon, or the Amazon. Here I go again. I have Amazon on the brain right now because it's Christmas, but that's what my favorite things are about the AI tools. But I love the Jack Santa. That one's a very good one, but you can do a lot more with it. And I'm just excited because I know the AI tools is going to grow, and it's just exciting because AI is here. And so I just want to say thank you so much, Pankaj, for coming on. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this session with Pankaj and you want him back for future episodes, because he knows a ton about ClickDesigns, and he has created probably more graphics than anyone in the company, as well as myself or any of the Click designers. So if you guys want him back, please drop Pankaj, Pankaj, I think is how you spell it. And anyway, but thank you so much for coming on. If you want to say anything more to everyone, go ahead.
Yeah, so thank you so much for having me on this call. And yeah, just go inside, create whatever you like, because the AI is it's truly an amazing feature. So you can create Christmas is coming, so you can create ads for your campaigns. Go and try it out. Maybe find some different kind of keywords online. You can use Chat GPT to create amazing prompts or keywords for your images, and just be creative. Be just try it and be creative. You don't need to be afraid with the AI. You just try and test it and see how you can, like, it's so much easy to use AI these days. So yeah, so just be creative and express yourself on the AI. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Pankaj. It was great having you. And I'm going to close this out, guys. So just bear with me for 1 minute. So, guys, was that amazing? AI tools on steroids. We got to learn even more tips and tricks about the AI tools with ClickDesigns, and I couldn't be more excited. So I'm so excited to have Pankaj on. I hope I have him in the future too, because he is a power user of ClickDesigns, even more so than me. And so it's always great to have different versions of what people are doing, and just inspiring, right? Okay, I'm going to close this out. If you guys enjoyed this session, please drop some love into the comments. And I just want you guys to have a great rest of your week and an even better holiday season. And this is our last episode of the year of 2023. This is our last session. We're going to go into 2024. It's going to be exciting. I am just cannot wait for an even epic year in 2024. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your year. Have a great holiday season. Have a great New Year's. And I will see you in 2024.